What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys noticed, I got new glasses, but that's whatever. I did ended up going to the Chronicles Year 10 meet, and I'm sorry I don't have any video or any footage from it because I just wanted to go meet all the people from Instagram that I've talked to through DMs and comments, and finally get to meet them in person. So that's one cool thing about the meet. Everybody was there. Amazing builds. So if you guys want to see content of that, I think Siggy Dojo or Joey Lee will have the videos on his channel, and also of course his photo coverage, always siggydojo.com, so check that out. And I haven't really been filming because there's really nothing for me to do to the car. That's one reason why I've actually kind of lagged on making videos. But this weekend, very good news. This motor is finally going in. It is literally that time. We have all the stuff minus ECU and harness, but we're getting that very soon. But this weekend, starting this Saturday, so today is Wednesday. In 3 days, we're pulling the single cam out of this one. This has a stock Y7 in there, and we're gonna pull it out, take out the AC, power steering. We're gonna mask it off. We're gonna prep it for paint the engine bay, because the engine bay in this car, it is very yellow. It's very old and hasn't been touched ever since '98. This motor will probably go in the next week, but I'll have more videos of us installing everything. But this is the current status of the K20 Hybrid Racing. Thank you very much to David over at Hybrid Racing. They're helping us out with putting the swap in with a lot of the parts that we need. So one is of course the fuel rail. I do have the fuel kit from them also, the fuel line kits. And then this is all collecting dust because it's been sitting. And this is a RBC manifold. This has been shaved. All the vacuum ports have been already plugged and or pretty much welded and plugged and shaved down, all that. I need to figure out where this goes. This is a -6, so I'll figure that out later. Still got to get a TPS for this throttle body. I already have the throttle cable from TAN with the K20 upper water neck. And then also the thermostat housing we're getting sometime this week. Should be shipped to us very soon, the K20 one. We need to pick up a slave. And we already have all the shifter cables and everything over there in the boxes. And most of you guys that watch Zosh's channel, he just put in his K and got it tuned and everything. Big props to you, man. You did it first than us, but we just wanted to take our time on it. And we're not gonna do the AC or alternator or whatever relocation bracket where you get rid of this and yada yada, but we're just gonna leave like this. It's fine, it works. And I did get a new cooler and a brand new oil filter, because before you guys noticed we didn't have this. This was all plugged up because this motor was a track motor and it had an oil cooler. But perks of working at Honda, got all the right hoses, OEM. We already have the header. The header is actually in this box. We did get the K20 budget header, a 4.2-to-1. It is, yeah, it's in there. There's stuff on it. But yeah, so pretty much ready, you know. The injectors already, brand new coil packs from Honda. I think I already talked about all this. Probably get a new dipstick, this kind of ugly dipstick. And yes, I need to get rid of all that downstar hardware. I just been slacking on it because I have to take it all off and put OEM on, but I think we're just gonna put it in there like that for now. And then throughout time when I'm working, I'll pick up all the bolts from work and swap it out, and that's when I have the full complete downstar package for sale, so you guys could buy it or whatever. It'd be cheap, probably like $100 or even less than that if you guys want it. But for now, just holding everything in. Yeah, so I'll be filming this weekend of us pulling the single cam out. I'm probably gonna have more frequent videos now. It's gonna be uploaded for like 1 or 2 videos a week. Stay tuned for that, guys. And I'm sorry for not making content. When I was at Chronicles Year 10 meet, a lot of people were telling me that you should upload more, man. Like, how come you aren't filming today? I kind of lost interest in filming because there's nothing to do. I know a lot of you guys want to see me working on my car and everything, but there's nothing to do to this car. Well, oh wait, I have not filmed what the car looks like now. But yeah, I did run into an issue going up to Chronicles Year 10. Actually leaving Chronicles Year 10, we're at my car, the car wouldn't stay on. I had this issue like 2 weeks ago, 2-3 weeks ago when I'm driving around, but it wasn't as bad. But finally it got to the point where it got really bad. The car wouldn't hold idle and it will lean out. It'll lean really bad and it'll die. It'll stall out and every time I'm just like at a dead stop. So I have to keep pressing the gas to keep the car on. And I figured out that it was my TPS. Well, I have the stacks off right now. And I'm just fixing it right now. But my TPS down there, it is broken. Finally took shit. When I was working on this car yesterday trying to figure out the exact problem, first I thought it was the regulator, but it wasn't, because my gauge, my fuel pressure gauge was messed up. So what I did was I turned on the car, let it warm up, and then as it was warming up, I just kept hitting the TPS, and then you can see my AFR gauge, it just starts leaning out more. So it was around 12, and then went to 13, then 14, then 15, I just keep hitting the TPS. So the TPS down there, it is messed up. And I got a new hood. This was the hood that I've been telling you guys about. I've been waiting for like 4 months for this hood, and I got from Nima's garage, so thank you very much, guys. So if you guys want a hood, let them know. This is a Shift Sports hood, straight from the land of Japan. And yeah, I wanted this hood because it has a very subtle look to it. It's not very like aggressive looking, because the vent is very, yeah, just not aggressive. That is gonna get color matched, so it's just black for now. I had it black because that's what they come in, and I didn't have time to get it painted. And the fenders, I actually bought brand new OEM fenders from work, so we're gonna get the whole front end, or probably the whole car resprayed. It's gonna be sprayed the same color. There's just things that I want to fix on it, so we're gonna get the whole car resprayed. That's one reason why I picked up the new fenders. And check these out. If you guys have been following my Instagram, yes, I got another set of T37s. These are the racing green T37s. Same specs as the bronze, 16 by 8 plus 25, 4 by 100. No center caps, but yeah, they're a dark like forest green look, and they look so good on the car. It looks so aggressive. It looks black. It's a bit similar to like mag blue if you really think about it, because mag blue is dark but it has blue. So if you put mag blue on a blue car, this is pretty much the same concept, but green wheels on a green car. Yep, and I do have the full set. The other two new ones are in here. Oh, and I'm still running the bronze on this side. At Chronicles Year 10, I decided to just run bronze on one side and race the green on the other side, since I couldn't decide. I don't know if you can see, but in the sun there's a lot of flakes in it. Really nice color. Yeah, but I think I might put them all on. Also, I did get my Rega Masters refinished, but there's a slight problem on them, and let me show you guys. I only took one out of the box because they're all in my other raised box. So I got them redone in silver, and it looks good on camera, right? But in person, check this out. Can you guys see that? So I got this powder coated, and I won't say who did it, but I got powder coated by a reputable guy, and yeah, that looks like runs, or it didn't bake properly, and I was kind of mad about that, and I was just like, you know what, I'll just take the wheels. I don't want to have him redo it, because if they can't do it right the first time, there's no point even bringing it back for them to redo it the second time, because they should have done it right the first time instead of me having to ask them to do it again. So I'm gonna bring it to someone else and have them do it properly, because this literally look like runs. It's even on the lip too, and it just bugs me. And it's on 3 out of the 4 wheels. One wheel came out perfect. It came out flawless. And the stupid thing is, the inner barrels came out flawless, but the faces did not. Like, that's a sucks ass. I'm gonna put these on hold. I did buy new stickers for these. I bought the lip stickers and of course the spoke sticker. You know, it is what it is. Kind of sucks ass, but you know, sometimes people fuck up your shit and can't do anything about it unless you know, just get your money back and send it somewhere else. But yeah, that's the current status of all this shit that's going on right now. So that car, we're gonna have a lot more content for it this weekend. Don't worry, I'm back to filming more subscribe shit to do to the cars. And that cave, I would say it'll be in next week, but this weekend, since I can't really like pull a 3-day like build like this car when I first got the shell or whatever. You guys seen that video? Because I work now, I work Monday to Fridays. The only time I can actually put my hands on my brother's 4-door is when I get off work early if I can, like today, or Saturday and Sunday. So we're pulling single cam out of this thing and putting this K in. So and just a brief introduction if you guys are new to the channel. This is a K20 Z3 with matching trans. The trans is fully rebuilt by Ghostworks up in LA. Has brand new first to six gear synchros and has M factory 2-way LSD. The motor, the long block or the bottom end is stock. Head is built. It has Super Tech pretty much valve train, everything, and the head is ported. And RBC manifold. Well, I mean that comes factory on the K20 Z3s. 72 mil. I still have to port match this, so that will be done with a Dremel. And this thing is just collecting dust. And a lot of goodies from Hybrid Racing. So huge shout out to Hybrid Racing, huge shout out to Hasport for sending us the mounts. The mount is literally the thing that we need the most to put the motor in the car, of course, because it mounts the car, mounts the motor to the car. I'm really excited. I told my brother, I'm like, we can do this K swap, but we won't be for sure when it will be fully done, like running properly. But I'll say a month max, because like I said, we don't have the weekends. Me and my brother, we could probably finish this whole swap within the weekend, like Saturday and Sunday. But I don't want to rush it because we have to paint the bay, you know, we have to put the new subframe in, the EGDC subframe and all that. And don't worry, I'll be recording videos. So yeah, peace out from the fucked up powder coating reg masters, race to green T37s. Oh, and I never really said this on the channel, but if you guys are interested in T37s, I am actually, I wouldn't say a dealer, but I do sell T37s. I work with somebody and we sell T37s. So thank you to all the people that watched my videos and actually bought T37s for me, because I sold a couple sets of these specs, 16 by 8 plus 25. So if you guys want to set, let me know, send me a DM through my Instagram. I always post it up. Right now, the only colors we have are Racing Green, Mag Blue, Hyper Blue, and black, or gloss black. So that's it. Bronze are all sold out, unless I sell my set, you know, but I think I have a buyer for those, but we'll see what happens, because I have 2 main sets of wheels. I literally have 3 sets of wheels. Got Silver Reg Masters, Racing Green, and Bronze T37s. So all right guys, don't sell this, just keep building. And nice meeting everybody over at Chronicles Year 10. So stay tuned, and this weekend is where it's at.